In this video I will show how to make mock-up like this. So let's get started. First we need a background. I have a background, a green tea garden hilltop. So I will drop the background like this. Okay. Okay, done. Now we need a subject for mock-up. I have a Nescafe tea product and coffee. I already selected my subject. You need a selection for drop. Now I drop that on my background. Simply I dropped it my background and adjust on your way. Yes, lovely. Okay, done. Now we have a problem. The problem is glass transparency not adjusted with background. So let's make it. First select the subject and click layer mask option. Then select brush tool and select black color for erase. And first you need select hard round brush. Let's go. Then you can reduce your brush flow. Then it is like this. Now it's very adjusted with background. And now we have a more problem. The problem is the sunlight is not shining our product or subject. Now select black color for erase and erase like this and select soft round brush for that. Okay, done. Now the sunlight is shining on our subject. Okay, we need a shadow. Now we select polygon lasso tool for shadow, for make shadow, and here like this. Selection is here. Okay, done. Now take a new layer and select brush tool and select black color for shadow. That's simple. The shadow is black color, and select the soft round brush and now normally paint like this. Now our selection is complete. Then drag the layer under our subject. Okay, done. We're almost is complete. Then take a new layer and the black color is like it's darkness for that. Okay, paint like this. Okay, now we have a more problem. The problem is the lighting, because our main subject is lighting, like here, but our background is not lighting. Our lighting is sunlight. And select constant tool for erase that, and simply press Alt to select here. Now take a new layer and drag up and like paint, and absolutely work. Now it's complete. I have things for decorated elements. Now drop it. Sorry, yeah, here I have some coffee beans. Now select that and drop it. Okay, selection is complete and drop it like here. Yeah, it's not look nice. Here is hypnotizing for that right side. It's nice look. Then click layer mask option when we mask and select brush tool and black color. Okay, I have a map icon and I will drop for online delivery, that is text and text on the text. I some else writing for that. You can